Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix. For today's video, I'm going to show you how to change phone number on Amazon account. So first open your Amazon app on your mobile phone and then you need to make sure that you log in or sign in your account. Now to change or add your phone number, you just tap this profile icon right here beside the home icon. And from here, as you can see, you have a button which is your account. So tap that your account. And then you'll find some of the options right here, orders, customer service. But you need to go right here under the account settings. Tap this login and security. So right here, you'll find all the personal information of your account. So you need to tap this primary mobile number. So you can tap this add button right here. Then you can add or change your phone number right here anytime you want to change this one. So that's how you basically change phone number on Amazon account. So if you find this video helpful, please consider to like and subscribe to the channel and don't forget to hit the notification bell to notify you on the next video.